Today, I'm showing you how to install a VM22 carburetor on a Predator 212. Step by step, beginner friendly, full install. This carb is one of the best upgrades you can do for more throttle response and power. Here's everything you'll need for the swap. This is the VM22 carb kit plus basic hand tools. I'll have links in the description to everything I recommend if you want to follow along. First thing, we'll pull off the stock carb. Remove the air filter, loosen the bolts, and slide it straight off the intake. There's also the old throttle assembly that needs to come off. I forgot to record it, but there's only 2 bolts holding it on. Just look for a few seconds and you'll see which bolts. You'll need to remove these studs to install the new VM22 carb. Now we'll put the new manifold and gasket on the VM22. Make sure your gaskets and connectors are lined up. If it's off, you'll get an air leak or bad flow. Attach the manifold and other gasket onto the engine. Tighten the bolts evenly so it seals right. This is where most people get stuck, the throttle cable. I like to attach my handle first, like so. That clip is meant to let the cable slide smoothly. Make sure it's in properly. Now tighten it down most of the way and make sure it's seating right. If not, twist the throttle a few times back and forth till it sets into place. Now tighten it down. Alright, thread the cable into the carb cap and hook it onto the slide. At the handlebars, adjust the slack so it snaps back clean without sticking. Here's the slide opening when I twist the throttle. That's how you know you hooked it up right. Now for the first start. Choke it, pull the cord, and it should fire right up. If it doesn't idle perfect, don't worry, that's normal. Tuning will come next. That's the full VM22 install on a Predator 212. If your bike isn't idling right or the throttle feels off, check out my basic carb tuning guide. It covers tuning base style and VM22 style carbs. Like and subscribe if you're into mini bike builds, rescues, performance guides, and anything else. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!